All right, everyone, let's get into our phonics lesson for today. So you may remember last time we learned about bossy R. Can someone raise their hand to tell me which vowel was being bossed around by bossy R last time? Right, it was A. Now, let's get some words on the board from our last lesson. Can somebody raise their hand to tell me and spell for me a word that we learned has A being bossed around by R last class? And spell it? Good. B-E-A-R, bear. F-A-I-R, fair. P-E-A-R, pear. Good, getting that CH digraph in there. I love it. Hair. Right, the other spelling of bear. Good, care. Let's do like 3 more. Good, getting that GL digraph in there. Glare. Where. Let's do 1 more. Stare. Good, we've got a nice robust list of words here. But A is not the only letter that gets controlled by R. Today it is O's turn to be bossed around. Let me ask you, who is this? Raise your hand. Right, that is Thor, and Thor's name is going to be our first word with an R-controlled O today. What is the digraph that makes the sound? Someone raise your hand. Right, TH. That's the start of Thor's name, TH. Now, if you take Thor, take off the what does that give you? 1, 2, 3, tell me. Or, good. We're going to spell out just like this, and that is Thor's name. Now, you may remember that when A was getting bossed around by R, it wasn't just spelled one way. It was a set of triplets. Look at this list of words. Look at how all of the airs are spelled. And someone raise your hand to tell me what are the names of the air triplets. How do you spell air 3 different ways? Good. Our first one is A-I-R. Right. A-R-E. 1 more. Good. E-A-R. So we need to find the set of triplets for OR as well. R-controlled O also has a set of triplets. And we're going to do that with a sorted list of words. So you can see here, I have a chart for us. The side with Thor's hammer is our R-controlled O side, our OR side, and the side with the hammer crossed out is words that do not have an R bossing O around. So I'm going to say a word, you're going to echo it back to me, and then if you think that it has an R-controlled O in it, you are going to put your hand on your head. Make sense? Thumbs up? Good. Our first word. Watch. Torn. Say it. Now put your hand on your head if you think it has an R-controlled O. Good. It does. Our next word, watch, ton. Say it. Hand on your head if you think it has an R-controlled O. Good, it does not. Goes in this column. Next word, watch, pot. Say it. Hand on your head if you think we have an R-controlled O. Right, this one doesn't either. It goes in our non-or column. Next one, watch, port. Say it. Hand on your head. Good, yes. It does have an R-controlled O. Next word, watch, stop. Say it. Hand on your head. Good, I'm seeing no hands on heads. It does not have an R-controlled O. Next, watch, store. Say it. Hand on your head. Yes, it is an R-controlled O. Love seeing all those hands on heads. Next, watch, bore. Say it. Hand on your head. Exactly. It does have an R-controlled O. Next up, watch, boat. Say it. Hand on your head. But it does not have an R-controlled O. It goes in this column. Next up, watch, more. Say it. Hand on your head. Good. Yes, that does have an R-controlled O. Watch, mode. Say it. Hand on your head. Good. Right. Does not have an R-controlled O. Two more words. Watch, roam. Say it. Hand on your head. Good. It does not have an R-controlled O. Last one. Watch, roar. Say it. Hand on your head. Good, and that one does have an R-controlled O. Now, look at our list of words. Look at all of the different ways or is spelled in our hammer column, and try to write the names of the triplets, the 3 different ways we spell or, on your dry erase boards, and put your thumb up when you're finished. All right, I'm seeing all thumbs up. Show me the boards. Good. Our 3 spellings are O-R, or, O-R-E, or, and O-A-R, or. Excellent. Now everybody erase your boards and fold your hands when they're erased. Great, so let's go over the O sounds that we have in our toolbox. We have A, octopus. We have the long ABC sound, O, okay. And we have or, organ. I want you to repeat those sounds after me this time and listen and feel for how the sounds are different. A, octopus. O, okay. Or, organ. Good, now we've got that difference downloaded into our heads. We are going to do some blending and segmenting with words with OR, which will prepare us to read and write those words. So I'm going to do the blending first, then we're going to do it all together, and then you all are going to do it on your own. Here is our first word. I'll go first. Or, fork. All of us together. Ready, go. Or, fork. Just you. Ready, go. Good. Our next one. Sh, or, shore. All of us together. Ready, go. Sh, or, shore. Just you. Ready, go. Good. I love all the nice clear vowel sounds I'm hearing. I'm loving all the eyes on me. I'm loving the nice clear chops. Here is our next word. N or north. All of us together. Ready, go. N or th, north. Just you. Ready, go. Good. Our next one, k or n, corn. All of us together. Ready, go. K or n, corn. Just you. Ready, go. Good. And our last one, st or e, story. All of us together. Ready, go. St or e, story. Just you. Ready, go. Good. That st digraph was nice and clear. Now let's go into some segmenting. I'm going to say a word out loud. I'm going to show you the segmenting. Then we're all going to do the segmenting together, just like I did by myself. Then you're all going to do segmenting on your own, and then you are going to write the word on your whiteboards. Thumbs up if that makes sense. Good. All right, so our first word, horn. Or n. All of us together. Ready, go. Horn. Or n. Just you. Ready, go. Write it. Close. Check that initial consonant sound. All right, now I'm going to write it on the board. Check yourself. Correct it. Good, yeah. All right, for our next word, shore. Sh, or. All of us together. Ready, go. Shore. Sh, or. Just you. Ready, go. Write it. Yep, good, good correction. A couple more seconds. All right, now I'm going to write on the board. Check yourself. I see some people changing which triplet spelling they chose. That's all right. Now you know how the word looks. Good. Now on to our next word. Our next word is t or ch. Oh, I forgot to say the word first. Next word is torch. T or ch. All of us together. Ready, go. Torch. T or ch. Just you. Ready, go. Write it. All right, looks like we're ready to go. I'm going to write on the board. Correct yourself. We are looking good. All right, we've got two more words. Next one is sort. S or t. All of us together. Ready, go. Sort. S or t. Just you. Ready, go. Write it. Well, this one's an easy one for you guys. I'm writing on the board. Check yourself. Yeah, you did a really good job on that one. All right, we've got one more. Thorn. Or n. All of us together. Ready, go. Thorn. Or n. Just you. Ready, go. Write it. Check your ending consonant. Yeah. couple more seconds. I'm going to write on the board. Check yourself. Yeah, good work on that one. So now, everybody erase your boards and fold your hands when your board is erased. Great, so now we're going to be going into a matching activity. You're going to be forming words and matching the words to their pictures. Here's how it's going to work. I'm going to assign you to one of these two stations. When you get to your station, you are going to pick up a piece of paper from each of the piles. The piece of paper are going to have letter cards and picture cards. You're going to cut all of those cards out. And then you're going to use the sound cards to form the word that is shown on each of the picture cards. And then you are going to paste those squares in the correct order on the sheet that has the blank squares on it. So if I have a picture of a fork, I'm going to find the or I need. I'm going to find my beginning consonant, my ending consonant, and I'm going to paste these all in order on my blank sheet. Thumbs up if that makes sense. Any questions? All right, so when I say go, not now, but when I say go, groups 1, 3, and 5 are going to go to station 1 over here, and groups 2, 4, and 6 are going to walk to the station number 2. Make sure you walk, bring your pencils, ready, go.